Case, and today we're doing tray slide.
Baby, look at it. See this one right there?
Go! Go!
That's what the one.
Go!
Go!
My turn!
That wasn't that fun.
I'm gonna go on my stomach now.
He's going down on his stomach.
Alright, go!
I'll try to go as fast as I can't move.
He came out too fast!
No! He's like,
Hey, Caleb!
Next!
My tummy!
Down on his stomach, people!
Don't tie it up! Don't tie it up! Ah, take that way. Take this way. Everybody!
Go!
I'm coming!
okay. So she said,
Ah! Whenever you go to McDonald's, get a tray and do this. Can I go?
yes,
Yeah.
I'm saving you. Go. Yeah.
This is Jack Case, and we are not trained professionals. Please do not do this at home.
Yes, do it at McDonald's.